Verifying your identity on PhonePe is an essential step to ensure secure transactions. Follow these simple steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Open the PhonePe app. Launch the PhonePe application on your smartphone. Make sure you are connected to the internet for a smooth verification process. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the Account Recovery Checklist Generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Choose Verification Method. Select the method you prefer for verification. This could be through Aadhaar, PAN card, or other identification documents as per the options provided by PhonePe. Step 4. Submit required documents. Upload the necessary documents as prompted. Ensure that the images are clear and all details are visible to avoid any delays in the verification process. Step 5. Confirm and wait for approval. After submitting your documents, confirm the submission. You will receive a notification regarding the status of your verification. This may take a few minutes to a few hours. Once you have completed these steps, you should be able to use PhonePe with your verified identity. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to PhonePe customer support for assistance.